Hello, EDT 211511 students. Jeff Bouwman here with another tutorial. And this tutorial is going to focus on the lesson game. And I'm pretty excited for this assignment. I think this one is really cool. I love using games in my classroom. I do. My students love it. I love emceeing the games. I think it's just a lot of fun anytime you bring a game into the classroom. So again, my view may look different than yours. The lesson game. I'm scrolling down here, and this assignment is worth 50,000 points, and here are the details. What you're going to be doing here is you are going to create a lesson game that you would use in your classroom, okay? So very easy, straightforward. You pick the grade level, you pick the concept. So for instance, if I was going to create a game, I would make one for life science that would focus on cells. I'm not going to do one on physical science and chemistry and ecosystems or adaptations and throw them all in together with random math questions. That's not going to happen. I want you to create a game that focuses on just one topic, okay? And you have to have 30 questions minimum when you make your game, okay? So that's very important. You have to have 30 questions in your game, and each question should have four options, okay? And I want you to think about this too, is that when your students are playing your game, your options in the game shouldn't be like paragraphs that they have to hurry up, read through, and try to answer in 30 seconds. That's not good. This should be something that students should be able to. Your question should be able. Your students should be able to answer your questions, within 30 seconds. That's the way you should set it up. My apologies there. Um, so stick to one topic, one concept, and what I'd like you to do is pick a resource. And provide some suggestions here. Kahoot, quizzes, Quizalize, those are really good. Okay, my personal favorite is quizzes. I like using quizzes. It's my favorite. I put the link up. Um, put the game up on the Promethean board. Students sign in, they play the game, the leaderboard's displayed, and they just have a really good time. Kahoot is awesome too, but that's like a teacher-led game. So it's one where I have to kind of MC the game, and occasionally I go to Kahoot. Quizalize is cool. I've also used like Battleship Jeopardy games. You can search those up. You can go to Google, search up Battleship Jeopardy. You can find Jeopardy for Google Slides, Gimkit. Those are all different options that you can use as well. These are three really popular ones, but if you want to use something different too, that's fine with me. Okay. So basically, you're going to create this game, make sure it's awesome, make sure it's accurate, and have some fun with this. So I'm going to pull up a game that I've made on um, quizzes. Like I said, this is one of my favorites. And so this game focuses on cells. So pictures, questions, four options, and the time set for each of the questions is 30 seconds. Okay. So really easy to do. Once you create an account for yourself, free account, you can have a game put together really in no time. Okay. So when you think about um, the topic, make sure it's one that you feel comfortable with. You've got good content knowledge, that kind of thing. And then after you have your game ready to go, to turn it in, what you're going to do is you're going to go share, and then right here, copy the link. Copy that link, and you'll turn that in on Gradecraft. Now, different resources have different ways of sharing the link, so you're going to have to look for that when you make your game. Very important. And then if you use something like Google Slides, and let's say you make a Jeopardy game or something like that, you're going to want to turn in um, the link to your Google Slides, make sure the share setting is correct, that kind of thing. So to get a grade, I have to be able to see the game and evaluate it. Again, I'm looking for 30 questions from you, and you are going to turn that in on Gradecraft when it's all said and done. Make an awesome, fun game. These resources are really cool. I use them all the time. And if you want to go and do something else too, that's fine with me as well. But just make sure you build an awesome game for your students. That's the ultimate goal. So without further ado, If you have any questions, make sure you send me an email, and this assignment is worth 50,000 points. Thank you for watching this tutorial.